Hello students, today we are going to discuss about NIV, that is National Institute of Virology. National Institute of Virology conducts its own exam for MSc in Virology. This is the only institution in India which conducts exam for MSc Virology and issue a certificate of MSc Virology. It's a completely government run institute and one of the finest institute in the world. Keep in mind the exam is online and you won't have the permission to carry your own calculators because the system or the computer on which you are going to give the exam will have an online calculator. If you want to practice on the online calculator, you can download there are many apps are present from the Play Store. You can download just any app of any scientific calculator and you can practice on it, so that you should be familiar with the calculator. Because in NIV many problems are there which will require calculation, and that's why which will require calculator, and that's why you can go for the practice. For practice, you can go for any of the app which is present there. Now, let's discuss the MSc Virology program of NIV. NIV is having only 20 seats. So each year they are going to admit only 20 students. Once you will crack the exam, you will directly get the admission. No interviews are there. It's an online exam, just I have told you. And everyone's paper is different. I am not saying that the sequence of the question is different. The sequence is different, but other than that, almost all questions are different for everyone. Now, there are 100 questions. Each question is going to carry 1 mark. But if you will go for a wrong answer, you will have to lose minus 0.6 marks. Means 60% of the marks you are going to lose. Now, there are two sections. Section A, which is a general section, which will carry 20 questions and 20 marks. In this general section, there are 2 to 3 questions of GK, 2 to 3 questions of English grammar, 2 to 3 questions of logical reasoning, especially the time, distance, relationship. All these questions are generally asked on logical reasoning. General awareness about science. Then general aptitude. All these are going to be get covered in the general paper, which will carry 20 questions and 20 marks. Now, in the general awareness about science, just to solve these questions, you must go through the various science magazines and you must have the updated knowledge of science about any field of science. Other than that, the section B, which is mainly based on biology. I am not saying all questions will be on biology, but most of the questions of this section will be based to biology. There are 80 questions and 80 marks. Again, 1 mark on each question. 50 to 60 questions will be from general biology. Yes, approximately 50 to 60 questions will be from general biology. 10 to 15 questions will be from virology, purely virology, because it's an exam of virology. So keep in mind, all questions will not be based on virology. Only 10 to 15 questions, hardly 20 questions. 5 to 6 questions will be on chemistry. Again, organic has been given more stress. Then 5 to 6 questions on physics. The physics can be from 8th standard to 12th standard, any type of question. But I would like to tell you that this is the most important portion. Again, in the general biology section, more questions will be there from microbiology part. And in the virology, especially diseases part, that this particular disease is caused by this virus. And then other than that, in microbiology portion also, many of the bacterial species in the general biology question area, in the microbiology questions, general diseases are covered. and the causative agent, symptoms, all these things will include in general biology. By the way, many of my students have qualified this NIV exam and have pursued their degree of MSc from NIV, and most of them are having a very good career because this is one of the MSc is one of the most important milestone in your career. We are running our own tuition classes for all MSc entrance exam including NIV, JNU, IIT JAM, TIFR, HCU in Nagpur by the name Suhas Biotechnology Guidance Center. Other than that, we are also running our own website www.mscentrancebio.in, where you can find many video lectures and you can take advantage of it, go through it, and you will get all biology topics specially asked for all these MSc entrance exam. Other than that, work hard, have basic knowledge of all subjects, and discuss as much questions as possible with your colleagues, because discussion can find out many answers, and solve as much questions as possible of any of the entrance exam including NIV. Thank you.